Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. Today we're going to open up the stash box for the month of August. This is a monthly subscription box for quilters. You can go to the link that I have down below and it will get you right to them. They have different options. I get what they call the stash box, and there's usually projects in there. So let's see what's in there. I always get a little note just letting you know that they have live sales Tuesdays and Thursdays. YouTube Live with Christy is every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Mountain, and you can subscribe to the stash box. Stay up to date on our weekend and monthly sales on social media. They are on pretty much all social medias. It goes here. Scan those codes. Alright, so there's an invoice or a receipt. And there's a little flyer in here about a live event, but the live event was on Wednesday, and I just got my box on Thursday, so I missed that. And then I got an email that said watch it on Friday up until 5 p.m. Well, I didn't get the email in time, so I still couldn't watch it. So, strike two. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Always comes wrapped in tissue, looks all pretty. And then we have this. The stash box tells us what it is. The theme is Surfing the Stash. We always get a recipe, and that's the first thing I see when I open it. It's Cool Off with an Amazing Treat. It is strawberry watermelon popsicles. 4 ingredients plus the mold. That looks really refreshing. Okay, so what they do is they give you a box, they tell you what's in it, and then they have an itty bitty little picture of what it is. And the nice thing is they also have tutorials. There's the QR code in here for that. They also have additional projects that you can do with the fabrics that I include in the box. And sometimes there's more. Let's see. Well, let's just jump into the box. Okay, the block of the month is the cornerstones. Now, we have been working on this. I have gotten all the blocks done except this middle one, which is what came in the last box. I haven't had a chance to do that, but when I do, there will be a separate video on that. And this month, we are getting the corners. I'm not sure if the sashing is with it or just the corners. This month, create the cornerstone pieces for the quilt. Just the cornerstones. Okay. We also get a beach tote, getting ready for the beach. Create a beach themed tote for all things summer. And we get a notion, swag, fat quarter, recipe, and we have a lot of fat things in here. So what they do is they individually package everything you need for that project, so you don't have to go hunting through and figure things out. There's quite a bit of stuff still in the box. Let's start from the top though. First thing I do say is there's a note from Christy. They're coming to the end of the stash box, or sorry, the block of the month project, which is this. They're looking forward to a new block of the month project. We've come up with 3 different themes: farmer's market, farm, or forest. We would love your input on what the new pattern should be. Just contact us at info@RebsFabStash's.com to vote. That's cool. All right, let's look at this. Okay, let's go back to block of the month. So that's what this is. These are just the cornerstones, and they give you the fabric for it. And there are 16, I believe, cornerstones needed for this. So there will be enough fabric in here to do that. We also have the instructions, and they're letting us know what fabrics they're sending us, and this is the Suedes by P&B Textiles. It is the whole line. So the cornerstones are going to be these two beautiful colors. As you can see, they have a little bit of a texture to it that looks like suede. So we have enough fabric to do what we need for those. And it's still folded over. Let's see here. Now, very simple. We are making 20. We're making 20. Okay, so again, when I do that, there will be a video on it. First I have to make that center block, but you will see those as soon as they come out. Okay, the next thing in our box is the beach tote. Getting ready for the beach, create a beach themed tote for all things summer. And we have this is the beach tote. And look how much fabric's in there. That's awesome. Again, they're going to tell us how to make it and the names of all the fabrics that are in here. So if you like it, you can order more. But let's look at these fabrics up close. It features Sunshine Boulevard by Amber Kemp Gerstel. And here it is a little closer. I'm not sure. There we go. Oh, here's a bigger picture. Is the pattern, and they probably modified it a little bit. So let's just see. Nope, it's the instructions from that. So they let you know that we've included enough fabric to create longer handles if you would like. So this is more like a carry, and you can make it longer to go over your shoulders. So they've included enough fabric to do that. And the last piece is this one. There's quite a bit of that. So these are what you're using to make your beach bag. It looks like, based off of the pattern, the body is the yellow with the little umbrellas, and the floral, I call it floral. Yeah, well, the sun print is the bottom, top, and backs, and the handles. There we go. And the others are inside. Very cute. Let's see how much fabric does it take. I'm curious how much is here without having to measure it. No, it doesn't say. Oh, we have it does suggest interfacing, so I don't see interfacing in here. That might be something we may need to add ourselves if we decide we want it. Anyway, this is really cute. I love bags. Back to our box. Notion. We have a Wonder Clip bracelet holder, the perfect accessory to match any quilter's outfit. And that's what this little project is. And then the Notion of the month are Wonder Clips. We've included a few Wonder Clips to go along with the Wonder Clip bracelet project holder. So there's like 3. So they've given a couple. And now let's look at this project. It looks like a wristband with some Velcro, and then a flower. Yep, We've got our Velcro piece. Look at what the band is made out of. And then here's our flower. It's actually some felt. So it's a long piece, and we're going to be making it look like this, all loopy. Pretty simple. They put a simple project in there along with a bigger project, and then their block of the month that they're working on. And this month we have a lot of little blocks to make because we're doing the cornerstones to the quilt. And the nice thing is every month we're getting a new piece to a quilt that will all go together as one. Okay, and as usual, we get step-by-step instructions. There is a QR code to also see how to make it, and they tell us what fabrics they have sent and included. If we like it, we can make more. It looks simple, and they're very good step-by-step instructions. We looked at our little notions to go with our Wonder Clip holder. We get the Wonder Clips. We also get exclusive swag. So each month they send us something with their logo on it, and it says it's beach themed. I don't know what this is. Let's open it. I see their logo right here. It's a telescoping something. Oh, I bet it's a straw. Just guessing. Never go thirsty in your sewing room with this RebsFabStash reusable straw. I'm guessing that this goes in the bottom. Oh! I thought it was weird that it had a handle. It has its own little cleaner. That's even better. So we have a telescoping straw with a cleaner. Let's close it up and then put that cleaner back in there. How cute is that? And it comes in a little carry case that has a rubber handle, and it has little buttons so you can open it up and attach it to your bag or whatever you want. That is adorable. Alright, we also get a fat quarter. This one is beach themed. Everyone gets a unique fat quarter. This month, the one I received is this one. It's got these birds. I'm gonna guess they're seagulls. I don't have the selvage to tell you anything about it, but I have this cute fabric. Okay, there's also the recipe, which we already talked about, and those are the strawberry watermelon popsicles, and that's that. So there's actually a lot that comes in these bags. It's a box, sorry, with lots of little bags inside it. So go to the link below if it's something you're interested in, and let me know what you think about it. Some months the projects are better than others. I like the colors in this one, but they're really good projects, really fun. Lots of diversity, lots of fabric, and they don't cut it out for you, but they give you enough to cut out, and there's almost always extra. So you're going to have what you need to do the project. And then we have this project too. So little project, big project, block of the month, fat quarter, recipe, Wonder Clips, and my straw has their name on the little container, and I think that's it. These usually ship the first week of the month, so this month, for whatever reason, I got mine a little bit late, but they usually are one of the first ones that come out. So sign up if you're not there. Well, that was fun. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you soon.